Welcome back guys to another video. Today we are back on playing this game. And we have played this game for long. That time it was so much glitchy. I hope it's not glitchy still. Just lower your volumes or what? Oh. So guys, look what is this, look. Whoa. I need light. And after like 8 days I'm gonna buy Poppy Playtime. Guys, I'm leaving. My sister also came. Guys, I'm gonna join my sister. And if my sister wants to leave, she can leave now.
And I'm not into car again.
You're not wearing clothes.
I know.
Oh! Whoa!
Hey! Hey, yo.
What the?
Pudgy! Oh! I
It's up.
passed as a wall. Yeah, hold on.
I'm a bad boy.
You passed it.
I was a good boy, not so people were nice to me.
I think I need something. Okay, good boy. I needed this. That's why.
No. Far. I did the far dance.
No, Pudgy, I'm leaving.
I do not care. No. I just told you to join that game so I can play. Bro, don't.
When I was leaving, it joins in front of me.
Yeah, it's empty.
And you repair the Where is that? Is that another game?
I left.
The silly game.
Which game do you even wanna play?
The real Wally Hoppy Tower. Wall hop. I call it the Wally Hoppy Tower. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. I need that. I need that.
What the?
It's so easy. I played this one time. You have.
I went in the tree.
This thing.
Oh, that's easy.
Just jump and click that. You don't know, look at that.
Six.
Bap. Bap.
Six.
I fall.
Six. I was doing unlimited psychedelics. Oh!
Bap. 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 Bap.
Zava, didn't you fall down?
No.
Six.
Did
Six.
you fall down?
Yep.
I fall down 2 times.
Six. I wanted to do six. So, actually, did you fall down?
Yeah, I'm back here in this place.
Then this game is hard. Someone, this game is dookie. When I jump, they say that you did not jump. This is the opposite of jump. And all we do is hop around us.
Hello?
Bro!
अब आपकी साइंस की क्लास है केयरफुली लेना
I made it. This part was hard one time.
I'm doing the chippily chopala, don.
I'm the brown.
I hate this game.
Come on. Oh, I'm not jumping. What the egg? Click the eggs. I don't.
Where even are you?
That one. Again.
I'm stuck in this part.
Nah, I'm not stuck there.
Look!
I'm going to fall down the map. Goodbye.
I guess that will be it for today. If you enjoyed this video, hacker! Is he hacking or just lagging? Bye! Oh, I cannot send it. I'll do it. What the? I'm in a god mode.
How can I
Bye, guys!